Today, we're going to uncover some hidden hazards lurking in your home. We'll be discussing 20 items that can become dangerous after they expire. Make sure to stick around till the end, so you don't miss any important information. Let's dive in. First up is bleach. Did you know that bleach loses its effectiveness after about 6 months? Using expired bleach can lead to ineffective cleaning and disinfection, putting your health at risk. Next, we have fire extinguishers. These lifesavers can expire, and when they do, they may not work properly in an emergency. Always check the expiration date and replace them as needed. Expired medications can lose their potency or even become harmful. Make sure to dispose of them safely and replace them with fresh supplies. Using expired sunscreen can leave you unprotected from harmful UV rays, increasing your risk of sunburn and skin damage. Always check the expiration date before applying. Old batteries can leak corrosive chemicals, damaging your devices and posing a safety hazard. Dispose of expired batteries properly and replace them with new ones. Expired cosmetics can harbor bacteria, leading to skin irritation and infections. Keep an eye on those expiration dates and toss out any old makeup. Car seats have expiration dates too. Over time, the materials can degrade, compromising their safety. Always check the expiration date and replace as needed. Smoke detectors can lose their sensitivity over time, putting you at risk in case of a fire. Replace them every 10 years to ensure your safety. Canned foods can become dangerous if consumed after their expiration date. The risk of botulism and food poisoning increases, so always check the dates before consuming. While expired spices may not be dangerous, they can lose their flavor and potency. Keep your dishes tasting great by replacing old spices. Expired paint can become lumpy, making it difficult to apply and potentially ruining your DIY projects. Additionally, old paint cans may rust, contaminating the paint. Always check the expiration date before using. Using expired contact lens solution can lead to eye infections and irritation. Make sure to replace your solution regularly to keep your eyes healthy. Expired pesticides can lose their effectiveness, leaving your home vulnerable to pests. They may also become more toxic over time, posing a risk to your health and the environment. Dispose of them safely and replace as needed. Old air filters can become clogged and less effective at filtering out allergens and pollutants. Replace them regularly to maintain good air quality in your home. Expired toothpaste may not provide the same level of protection against cavities and gum disease. Keep your smile healthy by replacing your toothpaste as needed. Items like adhesive bandages and antiseptic wipes can lose their effectiveness over time. Keep your first aid kit up to date by replacing expired supplies. Expired pet food can lose its nutritional value and even become contaminated, putting your furry friend's health at risk. Always check the expiration date and store pet food properly. Water filters can become less effective at removing contaminants as they age. Replace them regularly to ensure you're drinking clean. Safe water. Old light bulbs can become less energy efficient and even pose a fire risk. Replace them with newer, energy-saving options to keep your home safe and well lit. Expired cleaning supplies may not be as effective at killing germs and bacteria, leaving your home less clean and potentially putting your health at risk. Replace them as needed to maintain a clean and healthy environment. And there you have it. Those were 20 items that can become dangerous after they expire. We hope this information helps you keep your home safe and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.